Hello everyone, before I start to review a movie, let me introduce first. My name is Ignatius Nabil Aditya Nugraha and my student number is 1303255101. And now I'm going to review a movie from South Korea and the movie called Parasite. The movie was released in 2019 and directed by a famous South Korean director named Bong Joon-ho. The story is simple but powerful. It follows a very poor family called the Kims who live in a small and dark basement apartment in Seoul. They find a way to trick a super rich family, the Park's family, who live in a big and beautiful house. The Kim's family pretends to be perfect worker and slowly take over all the jobs in the Park's family house. I like tutor, driver, and maid. At first, it's funny, but then it turns into a scary thriller with fights and secret. This movie mixes comedy, drama, and suspense in a smart way. It's called a black comedy thriller, means which means it which means it look at dark things like money problem and Parasite won Hook Awards. It was the very first non-English movie to win Best Picture at the Oscars, and Bong Joon-ho won Best Director there too. It also got the top prize, Palme d'Or, at the Cannes Film Festival, and this movie wins made it famous all over the world. The story feels new The story feels new and exciting because it doesn't follow the usual movie rules. It starts slow and funny, showing how the poor Kim's family use clever lies to get into the rich Park family house. You, if you watching this movie right now, maybe you laugh at their tricks like faking skills, faking skills, or making up stories. But halfway it changes fast. A big secret room under the house comes out, and everything gets tense and dangerous. The pacing is perfect for beginners. It builds up slowly so you care about everyone, then hits you with surprise that make your heart race. The best twist happens during a birthday party on a rainy night. All secret exploit into a crazy fight with blood and shooting. Memorable scenes include the smell of the poor moment, where the rich dad complains about a bad smells from poor people and a garden chase that shows how hate builds up. No boring parts. Every minute keeps my eyes to watching this movie. Every main character changes a lot, and you can follow their growth easily. The Kim family starts as sneaky but desperate survivors. The dad is lazy and funny, the son is smart and hopeful, the doctor is quick and tricky, and mom is tough. They turn darker as they get greedy. The Parks family seems nice and formal at first. Dad is chill, mom is weird. But they are blind to poor people, Spain. Over time, you see everyone's true side, anger, jealously, and fear. The actors do an amazing job making them feel real. They make you laugh, feel sorry, and scared all at once. Choi Woo-si, a son is supernatural like your clever friend Lee Sun-kyun and Cho Yo-jong as the parks act perfect rich people wouldn't notice the work. No bad acting, everyone fits like a puzzle. Bong Joon-ho directs like a master storyteller for beginners. He mixes funny parts with serious money fights without confusing you. His big idea is to show how rich and poor worlds never mix, using simple pictures. The camera work is beautiful and easy to notice. The park house is alike, big windows and clean lines, like a dream home. The Kim family basement is dark, messy, and smells bad. This makes the class difference super clear without words. Cool trick includes shots from high up showing stairs, Going up means getting richer, going down means poor life. Long and smooth camera moves follow spikes like you're there. No fancy effects needed. Real sets make it feel true. The music and sound make the movie come alive without being too loud. A simple piano score that starts soft and happy, then gets fast and scary to match the story moods. It never takes over. It just helps you feel nervous during sneaky parts or sad at the end. Sound effects are smart. Heavy rain sound lights, trouble coming, doors creak to build fear, and screams during fights feel real and shocking. The party scene mix gets loud with dark bangs. It pulls you in. No big songs, but the quiet moment let you hear heartburn almost. Everything fits perfect, making home feel safe or scary. The movie talks about big idea in a simple way. Rich people versus poor people, jealousy between classes, and how money control life. The smile is a fun word for hidden hate. Rich people sense poor ones without saying them. It shows through house tricks and the final fight. The system is broken. Poor people fight each other, not the rich world. You see hope in the son's dream, but it's sad, cause it's hard to change. For beginners, it's like a mirror. Do you act nice but ignore poor friends? It makes you think without praising. And this is one of the best movie ever. And to be honest, I love this movie so much. And the fun to scary switch keep it fresh. Character feels like real people, and it teach about life without being boring. Pictures and sounds pull you right in, nothing to dislike. Even if you are new to movies, you'll get it and love it. Watch with friends or family. Great for anyone who likes stories about everyday fights, thriller, or thinking deep. And this movie, named Parasite, has a smart story, amazing actors, pretty pictures, great sounds, and true messages about money and people. It changes how you see movies, funny, scary, and smart all together. It sticks in your head, making you talk about rich poor gaps for days. And the last part, I give rating for this movie 10 out of 10. And thank you.
Hello, my name is Gregorius Kevin Dwi Putrasnario, NRP 130325105. And today I would like to review a movie analysis of Parasite, a South Korean film released in 2019. The movie was directed by Bong Joon-ho, a well-known director famous for blending social issues with entertainment. Parasite tells the story of the Kim family, a poor family living in a semi-basement apartment who slowly inherit the life of the Park family, a wealthy household, by pretending to be unrelated professionals, and the Kim family secures jobs in the Park household. What starts as a clever plan to escape poverty gradually turns into a dark and shocking story. The movie belongs to multiple genres, including thriller, dark comedy, and drama. One of the most remarkable achievements of Parasite is its success in international award events. It won 4 Academy Awards, including Best Picture, making it the first non-English language film to win this award. It also won the Palme d'Or at the Cannes Film Festival. which show how impactful and critically acclaimed the movie. And then I want to talking about plot analysis. The storyline of Parasite is highly original and engaging. Instead of focus on a typical rich versus poor conflict, the movie show how both families are connected through deception, dependency, and survival. One of the most significant plot twists happens when the former housekeeper secret is revealed and the hidden basement. This moment completely changed the direction of the story and transforms the movie from a dark comedy into tragic thriller. Another memorable scene is the fault that destroys the Kim family home, symbolic how fragile their life are compared to the parks. And then I want to talking about character development. The main character in Parasite are well developed and realistic. The Kim family members are shown as intelligent, adaptable, and desperate to improve their life. Throughout the movie, we see how their morals slowly fade as survival becomes their priority. Ki-woo, the son, starts as a helpful young man who believes he can change his future, but by the end, his dreams feel almost impossible. The father, Ki-taek, shows the most dramatic change as his suppressed anger and humiliation eventually explode in the final scenes. The actor believes outstanding the performance. Song Kang-ho, who plays Ki-taek, gives a powerful and emotional performance, especially in expressing silent frustration. The Park family also feels realistic, particularly Mrs. Park, who is kind but naive. Overall, there are no weak performances, and each actor successfully brings depth to their character. And then I want to talking direction and cinematography. Bong Joon-ho direction of one of the strongest aspects of the movie. His vision is clear, detailed, and purposeful. Every scene feels international and contributes to the story's message. Camera movement are smooth and controlled, often embracing social hierarchy, such as stairs and level. One innovative technique is how vertical space is used to respond class differences, with the rich always living above and the poor living below. And then sound and music. The soundtrack of Parasite is subtle but effective. Instead of overpowering the scenes, the movie quietly builds tension and emotion. Classical inspired music is often used to contrast the chaos happening on screen. Sound effects also play an important role. Small details like footsteps, rain, and silence, enhance the mood and reels of the movie. One memorable moment is the heavy rain scenes where the sound creates both beauty for the rich and disaster for the poor. Overall, the sound's design successfully support the storytelling and emotional impact of the film. And then the themes and message. The central theme of the Parasite is social inequality. The movie shows the invisible but powerful line between social class and how difficult it is to cross it. Another important theme is greed and survival. The Kim family actions are not purely evil. They are driven by desperation. The movies suggests that poverty can force people to make immoral choice. In my interpretation, Parasite is not just criticizing the rich or the poor, but the system that keeps them trapped in these roles. Next, I want to talk my personal opinion. Personally, I think Parasite is an excellent and thought-provoking movie. I really enjoy how it combines entertainment with deep social commentary. The story kept me engaged from start to finish, and the plot twists were unexpected. I would highly recommend this film to viewers who enjoy psychological thrillers, social drama, or film with deeper meanings. It especially suitable with audience who like movie that makes them think and reflect on society. And the last is conclusion. To conclude, Parasite is a powerful film with a strong storyline, excellent acting, brilliant direction, and meaningful themes. It leaves a lasting impression by showing the harsh realities of social inequality in creative and unforgettable way. I would give Parasite a rating of 9 out of 10. Thank you.